Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be visiting a station which is about to close forever to be replaced by a new station as part of the Pennine route upgrade. But first we need to get there, and we're taking this NER 82 which will be pushing us all the way. Made it to Leeds, which is managed by Network Rail, and was opened on the 2nd of May 1938 by the London North Eastern Railway, and received 27.3 million passengers last year. And our train to the station soon to be closed will be coming in on platform 13B, and over there is the 82 which brought us here. We have made it to Ravensthorpe. Ravensthorpe will be closed from the 14th of December to allow for resiting as part of the Trans-Pennine route upgrade, which will see the station moved about 300 metres that way past the junction here at Ravensthorpe, and this is not very common. You can see a closure of notice of station closure here, and as you can see, this is very rare. But this is because it will be closed from the 14th of December as part of the December 2025 timetable change, which sees the end of services starting here, because this is to allow a new flyover junction here to be built, to allow the Trans-Pennine Express services to fly over this way over here, and the station will be built just past the junction. If you want to know, the Rail Focus has done a complete video on this, but in summary, it's moving over there, which will mean you'll get more services, because you'll get the services from Sheffield, I think, is that way. So yeah, you'll get more services at Ravensthorpe from 27-28 when it reopens. This last year it received 31,000 passengers, and then this year it'll receive even less. But yeah, this station won't exist. When at the time of uploading, it'll be closed, because I'm just filming this on the Friday the 12th of December, when Ravensthorpe just starts to open. But yeah, it's not got long left, because yeah, this is all Ravensthorpe shutting. and I think it will be replaced by a new fully accessible station here at Ravensthorpe. It would be, because of course it is really, and yeah, this would make Ravensthorpe much better sighted from Ravensthorpe itself, and yeah, this is why Ravensthorpe, this is that would be a nice, even not this alignment will shut as well eventually as part of the planned diversion to create a greater saturated junction. I think this isn't Heaton Lodge. Heaton Lodge is at the other end of this. Where this line share. So this will certainly improve capacity here along the line. We are now here at Mirfield. Just like Ravensthorpe is being rebuilt, however, unlike Ravensthorpe, it's remaining open during the rebuilding process, because currently on platform 3 it's already closed, and then you have those the platforms over there, because they're currently in the process of forward tracking it, because you used to have a platform on the other side of that island. It received 43,000 passengers last year at Mirfield, and this one is a northern. So this platform will eventually close, and to access it you've got a nice new shiny accessible footbridge. Then you have these are the kind of far signs, and so that's why they'll remove the platform here, and you have, and it's eventually electrified as part of the Trans-Pennine route upgrade. But at the moment they're still running diesels along here. So for now it will remain diesel, and with this unusual 3-track layout, because these two go that way, and then you put one in that way. We have made it to Brighouse, which has got 2 platforms and managed by Northern, and received 36,000 passengers last year, and it was rebuilt recently for the railway station buses when Huddersfield was shut, and yeah. So and this is where this will finish. We've visited Ravensthorpe, which shuts tomorrow, and we've also visited Mirfield and Brighouse. Hope you enjoyed this little visiting stations episode. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Joe where you want to, and